You can locate a company's required SEC filings, including the Form 10-K and the proxy statement form, in a couple different places. The first place is the official U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission website, also known as EDGAR. There is a link to this website on your research guide. Begin by searching your company name. Filings are provided in chronological order. The annual reports are coded as 10-K, and the proxy statements are coded as a DEFA 14A. There is a documents link for each filing and an HTML file, which will allow you to easily view each document online. In addition to the EDGAR website, you can also find the required SEC filings on the company website. Again, a link to this webpage has been included in your online research guide. Find a complete list of the filings in chronological order in this table to the left, or use the categories on the right to jump to a specific type of form, such as annual reports or the proxy statements. These documents are provided in a helpful PDF format, allowing you to save, print, or download each file as needed.